and welcome to my digital citizenship video. In this video I will explain the 9 elements of digital citizenship and how they relate to the digital world. Okay, so what is digital citizenship? Well, digital citizenship is essentially the concept of the norms of appropriate responsible technology use. Initially it was a concept for teachers and parents alike to better understand what the student and children should adopt when going online. However, with the increase of adoption and technology across all ages and genders and demographics, it's a concept that applies to any technological user today. Digital citizenship, like I've already said, is a concept of the norms of appropriate and responsible technology use. There are 9 elements of digital citizenship: digital access, digital commerce, digital communication, digital literacy, digital etiquette, digital law, digital wellness, digital rights and responsibilities, and digital security. We'll be covering all 9 elements in this video. The first element that we'll be covering is digital access. Now, what is digital access? Well, digital access is defined as full electronic participation in society. Digital access is key to bringing social and economic benefits to people around the world. This is key and is why digital access is at the forefront of all decision making when it comes to creating opportunities. Now, there are many issues surrounding digital access. There's gender divide, skills divide, universal access divide, socioeconomic divide, divide in infrastructure, and divide in content. The next element we'll be talking about is digital literacy. So what is digital literacy? Well, digital literacy is the use of information and communication technologies to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skills. The diagram shown shows the skills required for digital literacy. The next element we'll be discussing is digital communication. Digital communication is the electronic exchange of information. It is the communication that has been encoded to be stored and processed by computers. The next element we'll be discussing is digital etiquette. Digital etiquette or netiquette is a basic set of rules pertaining to behavior that needs to be followed to make sure the internet is better for all users. This basically means the use of good manners in all online communication platforms. The importance of netiquette. When we communicate face-to-face, it is important to note that majority of communication is via body language, then tone of voice, and then actual information. When we communicate on the phone, we lose the body language component, so it becomes easier to misinterpret messages. Therefore, netiquette is important when it comes to communicating online. The next element we'll be discussing is digital rights and responsibilities. Digital rights and responsibilities is the privileges and freedoms extended to all digital technology users and the behavioral expectations that come with them. With every right comes with a responsibility. This means to act respectful online when commenting and behaving on various online platforms. The next element we'll be discussing is digital law. Digital law is defined as electronic responsibility for actions which are described as ethical or unethical. Legal issues versus ethical issues. Legal issues involve the aspects of law, whereas ethical issues may not involve the law and would mainly be concerned with what's right and what's wrong. Examples of ethical issues include aspects such as copyright access, cultural perceptions and values, etc. Examples of legal issues would be cyberbullying and violation of privacy. The next element we'll be discussing is digital security. Digital security refers to ensuring the ability to use digital information and information systems without interference, disruption, unauthorized access, or data collection. Digital security issues do not only relate to big corporations, but they affect the general public as well. Security issues include devices and software, and digital fraud and crime. The next element we'll be discussing is health and wellness. Digital health and wellness is the physical and psychological well-being in a digital technological world. Physical issues include ergonomics, repetitive strain injury syndrome, eye strain, and obesity. Psychological issues include addiction, online disinhibition effect, cyberbullying, and cyberstalking. The final element that we will be discussing is digital commerce. Digital commerce, or e-commerce, is the action of buying or selling items or services through the use of the internet. Digital commerce is defined as the action of buying and selling goods and services through the use of digital channels. It also includes the process of developing, marketing, selling, and buying and servicing of products. Digital commerce also consists of the following: digital marketing, consulting, mobile sales, and predictive analytics. So, just to recap, the 9 elements of digital citizenship are digital access, which is full electronic participation in society; digital commerce, electronic buying and selling of goods; digital communication, electronic exchange of information; digital etiquette, electronic standards of conduct or procedure; digital law, electronic responsibility for actions and deeds; digital literacy, teaching and learning about technology and its use; digital rights and responsibilities, those freedoms extended to everyone in the digital world; digital security, electronic precautions to guarantee safety; and digital health and wellness, the physical and psychological well-being in a digital world. As you can see, all these 9 elements carefully make up the world of digital citizenship and what makes up a digital citizen as a whole. Thank you for listening and watching my video, and yeah, like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks.